Hey boys and girls, today I want to talk to you about why practicing ABC order in first and second grade is a helpful skill and how that skill is going to help us out when we talk about the dictionary and learning our different dictionary skills. I have right here a page from the dictionary, and we've talked about these words at the very top. This one says bear, like the bear that eats a fish. And this one says beyond, and how these words help guide us to the words that are on our page. So the first word on this page should be bear, and the last word on this page will be beyond. And then everything that falls in between them will be in ABC order. So if I'm thinking about the word bare, like the trees are bare, another homophone, I know that this word will be on the previous page because this has BE and this one has BA. If I'm thinking about the word biangular, I know it's going to fall after this page because this has a BEY and this one has a BI. All right, I'm going to show you some guide words, and what you're going to need for this lesson is a piece of paper. And just like we talk about whenever we're doing ABC order, you always want to have the alphabet. So I have my alphabet ready to go. And then I have this question that we're going to work together. My question says, which words would appear alphabetically on the same dictionary page as these guide words? So picture right now a dictionary just like this, but my guide words are going to be different. The guide words are going to be bin and bug. And I want to know which one of these words fall on the page as bin and bug. Well, to do that, first, I'm going to put all of my words in alphabetical order. That means every single one of these words, because these are my answer choices, and these words I need to first put in ABC order. All of them begin with the letter B, so I'm going to go to my second letter. And remember, whenever I have my alphabet, I'm going to put a dot with that letter. So like B-I, I'm going to look at that I, I'm going to put a dot underneath my I. B-U, I'm going to put a dot under my U. There's another B-I, so that means I have to be extra careful when I get to these dots. I have two of them. I have another B-U. I have a B-A. I have another B-U. Uh-oh, be careful, that was tricky. And another B-U. Now I'm going to put these in ABC order. So I'm going to go to my first dot, B-A, and I know that word is ball. I'm going to write it here, mark it out. I'm going to go across my alphabet until I get to my next dots. I have two BIs. So if I have two BIs, I need to look at my third letter. I have a BIN and I have a BIT. My N comes first, so I'm going to put bin there. And then I'm going to put bit. I'm going to keep going across my alphabet till I get to my next dots, and I have 4 BUs, so I need to be extra careful. Let's look at that third letter. I have a BUG, just to help me out, I'm going to put a little star there since I have so many. I have a BUD, I have a BUL, and I have a BUN. Now, easy peasy, let's go across until I get to my stars. I have bud, and then I'm going to have my bug, then I'm going to have bull, and then I'm going to have bun. Now, I'm going to look at my guide words and I'm going to box them in on my ABC order. I have bin, I'm going to put a box around that bin, and I have the word bug. I'm going to put a box around my bug. Everything that falls in between those two boxes are the words that will be on your page with your guide words. So my answer is bit and bud. the words before that word been, this will follow on a page before it. The words after the word bug will follow on a page after that. Let's do another one together. Just like in class, I wrote my alphabet in pen and I did my dots and pencils so I can easily erase it. And do my next set. So here I have which words would appear alphabetically on the same dictionary page as these guide words. I have the word so, I have the word sop, and then I have all of these other S words. So since they all begin with the letter S, I'm going to go to that second letter again. I have an S-E, I have an S-O, I have an S-I, I have another S-I, an S-A, an S-U, and an S-E. All right, let's put our words in alphabetical order. The first one's going to be my S-A, which is the word sat. Then I have my S-Es. I have two of them. So I have an S-E-N and an S-E-W. The N will come first, so let's do sent and then so. All right, now let's keep going across. I have two S-Is. I have an S-I-L and I have an S-I-T. The L comes first, so I'm going to do seal and then I'm going to do sit. Keep going. I have an S-O, which would be that sop, and then I have an S-U, sun. So I've done all my words. Now I'm going to box in the two guide words, so and sop. Remember, everything that falls in between these two are the words that will be on the same dictionary page. So I have the word seal and I have the word sit. Okay. I am posting a worksheet that you can do. The first 10 are a little bit easier, and then I'm going to give you a challenge one, which is like the one that I've done just now. So I'm going to erase my dots and I'm going to do number 1 and 2 with you, and then you can do 3 through 10. All right, at the top, I have my guide words, care and carry, and then I'm just giving you one other word. So I'm going to put these 3 words in ABC order, and the reason why I have this one first is because if you look here, I have car, and I have nothing after it, and then I have the word care, and I have an E after it. Whenever that happens, I want to put the car first, and then the word that has a letter after it, see how all those match up? That's going to come after. And then I'm going to have my carry. So I have a C-A-R-E and another C-A-R-R. So carry is going to come next. I'm going to box in my guide words, and I can see that car is going to fall before. So no, that does not fall on the same dictionary page. Now I'm going to do the same thing, careful. Well, look, I have C-C-A-A-R-R-E-E, and then I have another letter after it. So that means care is going to come first, and then I'm going to do my careful. And then I have my word carry, C-A-R-R. So carry will go next. Box in these guide words, care, carry. Yes. Careful does fall on that same page. So I can write yes. I want you to do the same thing for 3 through 10. And then I've given you that challenge. Be careful with that challenge. Put those dots on your alphabet. It's going to help you get your ABC order correct. And then tell me which 2 words would appear on the same page with the guide words deep and garage. You can either print this out or just write them on a separate piece of paper, snap a picture and send it to me. I can't wait to see.